In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Smartsheet plans and choose the right one for your work. The first thing you want to do is open the Smartsheet pricing comparison page. This is the best place to start because it puts the available plans in one view, making it much easier to understand the differences. Instead of guessing based on short descriptions, you can review the actual comparison table and see what each plan is designed to offer. Once you're on the page, take a moment to look at each plan side by side. This is important because plan names can sound similar, but the included tools and limits may be very different. Reading across the comparison table helps you evaluate them in a more practical way. Try to focus on what changes from one plan to the next, rather than just looking at the price. A lower cost option may be enough for simple work, while a more advanced plan may save time if your team needs extra capabilities. Next, compare key features such as dashboards, reports, automation, and integrations. These are often the tools that affect your day-to-day workflow the most. Dashboards help you organize important information in one place. Reports make it easier to summarize and track data. Automation can reduce repetitive manual tasks, and integrations help Smartsheet connect with the other tools your team already uses. As you review these sections, think about which features are essential for the way you work now, not just what sounds nice to have. After that, check the admin, security, and sharing features included in each plan. This step matters even more if you're working with a team handling sensitive information or managing access across multiple users. Some plans offer stronger control over permissions, administration, and security settings. Sharing features are also worth reviewing carefully, since collaboration is often a big part of using Smartsheet effectively. Then review the limits for users and workflows. Even if a plan includes the features you want, usage limits can affect whether it's the right fit. Pay attention to how many users are supported and whether there are restrictions on automations or workflow activity. This can help you avoid choosing a plan that feels fine at first but becomes limiting as your work expands. From there, identify which plan includes the features you actually need. Keep your focus on requirements rather than extras. The goal is to match the plan to your real workload, team size, and collaboration needs. Finally, select the plan that best matches your work requirements. Once you've compared features, security options, and limits, you'll be in a much better position to make a confident choice that supports the way you work.